Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Chat GPT Widget on Motorola Moto G15. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search, and now click install. And now you can click open. Then click got it and click on this button to skip introduction, then click not now and click open permissions. Now select the AI assistant and here you have to click here to allow this app to display over other apps. Now you can go back and click back again and click start, and as you can see right here there is my Chat GPT widget and I can open it and I can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded, and if you want to remove him from your screen, you can drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.